Located in the heart of the historic Inca Empire, the Inca Trail ranks among the top 25 hikes globally. As you trek, you'll come across stunning Inca ruins, each with its own unique story. In this video, we showcase 10 incredible sights, from the ruins of Wiñayhuayna to the majesty of Machu Picchu, highlighting this iconic trail's architectural brilliance and rich heritage. Salapunku. Once a strategic outpost for travelers and soldiers, Salapunku was considered a tambo during the Inca era. Recent archaeological discoveries, including a huaca, sacred place, and an aqueduct, suggest Salapunku was part of a larger settlement. Wilcaracay. Located atop Llactapata ruins, the second Inca site on the Inca Trail is Wilcaracay. It allows trekkers to admire the Llactapata Inca ruins while exploring their historical significance. Llactapata. Llactapata is known for its well-structured houses, horseshoe-like terraces, and scattered giant boulders. Surrounded by undulating terraces along the riverbank, a 5-day hike is recommended for more in-depth exploration, as the 4-day Inca Trail only provides an overview from above. Runkuracay. Runkuracay offers a unique architectural feature along the Inca Trail. It provides a great view of the mountain formation known as Dead Woman's Pass. Likely serving as a resting place for Incan travelers and messengers, it is best visited in the afternoon to avoid crowds. Llactapata. Llactapata features gray-colored stones blending with the nearby bedrock and green vegetation. Known for its unique Incan structures and unstable terrain, it is accessible via a nearly 100-step stone ladder on a cliff wall, making it unsuitable for those with vertigo. Conchamarca. Located between Llactapata and Fuyupatamarca, this site was likely a tambo for resting. It is best seen from the Llactapata ruins and takes less than 5 minutes to explore. This site is scheduled for the 3rd day of the Inca Trail if it's a 4-day trek, or the 2nd day if the first campsite is Llactapata. Fuyupatamarca. Fuyupatamarca is characterized by well-structured and impressive architecture. It used to be a stop on the route to Machu Picchu and retains remnants of important areas such as temples, plazas, and ritual baths. In May and August, Fuyupatamarca offers stunning views of Machu Picchu Mountain. It is particularly enchanting during the rainy season, matching its name as a town above the clouds. Llactapata. This site is situated after the Fuyupatamarca ruins and before Wiñayhuayna. It is often overlooked due to its location and time constraints, but you will have time to visit if Chaquicocha is your second campsite. Wiñayhuayna. Wiñayhuayna is a well-preserved Incan settlement surrounded by lush vegetation and offers views of the Urubamba River and Huayhuilca Mount glaciers. The site features a large stone staircase, inclined walls, and trapezoidal doorways similar to Machu Picchu. The grassy agricultural terraces, built with stones, have withstood natural phenomena, making them unique. We recommend visiting before 5 p.m., as the site closes at 5:40 p.m. However, if you spend the second night at Chaquicocha campsite, you will have plenty of time to explore Wiñayhuayna. Intipunku. Intipunku holds great historical significance as the main entryway to Machu Picchu. Even today, it continues to awe tourists by offering them a glimpse of the ancient Incan city. Situated between the Vilcanota River and towering green mountains, Intipunku's enigmatic allure is especially stunning at sunrise. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments which is your favorite site. See you next time.